If you are not reading 24 volts from G to C at the control board when the fan should be on, focus first on verifying the control signal path before replacing components. Start by confirming the thermostat is set to a fan on or cooling call and that its fan switch is not on automatic without a cooling call. Remove the thermostat face and measure at the thermostat output for the G terminal to see if it is sending 24 volts relative to common when the fan is commanded on. If the thermostat is not outputting voltage, try swapping the thermostat with a known working unit or temporarily jump the G to R at the thermostat to force the signal and see if the fan starts. If the thermostat is outputting voltage, but you do not see it at the control board, inspect the wiring for visible damage, corrosion at terminals, or improper terminations at both ends, and replace any shorted or frayed conductors. Use a multimeter set to the appropriate direct current voltage range and test continuity between thermostat G and control board G with power off to confirm wire integrity. If the board never receives the signal despite good wiring, consider replacing the thermostat, or if suspected, replace the control board relay that switches the G signal following the manufacturer's diagnostic steps. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is working when its internal settings or firmware lockouts prevent output. Verify output directly and replace the thermostat if it fails to produce voltage. Another frequent issue is damaged or shorted wiring hidden in walls or bundles. Isolate and continuity test the conductor and replace the cable if readings are inconsistent. A third problem is miswired terminals at the thermostat or control board from prior service. Double-check terminal labeling and reconfirm that the green wire is on G at both ends and the common is on C, correcting the wiring placement if it is incorrect. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we and our users share troubleshooting tips and contractor experiences related to signal troubleshooting and HVAC work. We help contractors find job leads and homeowners find professionals while fostering practical conversations among peers.